Hello everyone, my name is Lizeth Montserrat Avalos Aguirre. I had the pleasure to have opportunity to share a little about Melset you today. Who I am? I am a student in industrial engineering, while I particularly focus in the progress optimization and supply chain management. In addition, I hold the major certification. You are the Yellow Belt for Six Sigma and Notary Supply Chain Management. In my free time, I enjoy photography, cooking, and reading. I love to travel and discover the new cultures and language. Likes and dislikes. I don't like if the sport is the soccer. And my favorite team is Chivas and Pio. In additional, I love music and artists and Taylor Swift. And my dislikes is the sport is the golf. For me, is boring and no STEM. Education and experience. And previously, I am a student in management. I work in supervision and construct a company. I have a 2 hour certification in area quality. Uh, I was one of the student industrial engineer. I decided to study this career because I am passionate about feeling about the progress system and process to make an organization more efficient and competitive. In my work experience, I have work experience in various industries with the management, logistics, and construction. My work focus in the problem operation, efficient and reducing costs throughout a more lead present and supply chain optimization. I have the project that I have a significant impact in the company operations. Achievement and personal experience. Some months is important achievements include winning and several majors in Taekwondo competition, and more recently, I winning a 100% scholarship award my student. In ambit professional, my most important achievements include success competition and inventory management and system reduce most the cost in the 100% and optimize the process in the increments efficiency on 30%. Actually, I the running the marathon my mother finally. Now, let's allow to the important points. Talent and strengths. My talent is including an analytic skill, problem-solving ability, effective leadership, and a strong interpersonal skill. Also organize the result-oriented and the always looking what improved process. Uh, by cover system and I cover alter the project management in the company my skill and team management and prop accuracy. My dream job. My dream job involves operations management a labor company, specifically in the Heineken industrial. Where cause my skill improve operation efficient and optimize supply chain. A location in my dream job is from in the Paris is Spain. Where my current feels at profit exhibit. Right. My current in general is perfect my career, my goals, award my planning, navigate my skill, making tangible a difference in the company I work for. Uh, Point two, my work, my life balance. To make a work balance, I focus time management and taking care about even too. I also important discounting for the work in my free time to enjoy our activities. In the graphic, an example is my repeating my time. It's a labor, personal, and deeper my measure my skills. Influence for my work activity. Yes, my work influence and subtlety while contributing to the boss's efficient and sustainability. Beyond proven and the process and recent ways, we help to create safer and more sustainable job was reducing impact over industrial operations. Thanks for listening. I understand opportunity and the future holds and continue to learn in the fourth career. Thanks for attention.